Hey everyone, Technomen here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to power cycle your iPhone. So let's get started. So in order to power cycle it, we're going to use the buttons on our iPhone. We're going to first press and release the volume up, followed by press and release the volume down, and finally come over and hold on to this big side button until the screen goes completely black and we see the Apple logo appear. So to show you, I press and release the volume up, press and release the volume down, and then I hold on to the side button. As you can see here, I am pressing and holding on to that side button, waiting for it to completely go black, which takes about probably a few seconds, and then I keep on holding it until I can see the Apple logo, and I let go of my side button, and that's going to power cycle my iPhone, where basically it will completely shut it down and reload the code. So if you're having any software related issue, it will fix it and your performance should be back to optimal after doing this power cycle. And you can do it as many times as you need to. This will not delete any of your personal data like photos, videos, apps on your iPhone. So go ahead and give it a try, and I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.